Beginners, novices always ask me about fixatives. How do I fix my drawings after I've done them with Pastel? I've got videos out there that shows side by side, similar to this, swatches, the before and after fixatives, and whether or not they actually alter the colours and tones of the work. And long story short, I've yet to find one that doesn't alter to some degree. I'll link to those videos below so you can have a real good in-depth look at it. But as I said, I want to keep these videos nice and simple and just give you the facts. So there's a few that people have told me categorically they don't alter colours and tones on pastel work. And the latest one I did, and I'll just show you here, you can see a massive difference, and I had loads of artists that told me, yep, makes no difference whatsoever. It took a long time to get that particular brand, and there's no point in me saying the name because I haven't found any that actually work properly yet, to the extent that I'll use them on my own work. Now, if you could put up with this kind of degree of change, and you can see some colours show up more of a change than others, if you can put up with that, that's fine, that's up to you. Sometimes these fixatives don't really fix that well anyway, so I urge you to try your own tests. But for a beginner, all I would say is pastel matte paper grabs hold of the pastel very well. Obviously, if I bring back our friend here, if I rubbed over that hard, it's going to obliterate it. But what I do then, if you're going to display your work, just frame it up, have a double mount on there so the pastel is not touching the glass surface, and that's it, job done. You don't have to fix them at all. So at the moment, there's no fixative I would personally use on my work. So if you're a beginner, don't worry about those at all. Just wanted to quickly mention my Patreon channel for those looking for even more in-depth art instruction. It's packed full of pastel videos, oil videos as well, and those videos are being added to new ones every single month. I have videos for the complete beginner that have never done pastels or oils before with just limited supplies, and I take you from the very first blocking in all the way through to the final detailed drawings and paintings. I've also got some really unusual subjects as well, and in all of my videos I always take you through all the details. You see everything I do, how I create my work. But it's not just for beginners, it's also for novices, and I also show the best artwork that I've ever done as well. And this particular elephant video spans 6 hours, so you know you're going to see tons and tons of details, tips and techniques. And as mentioned, I've got lots of oil videos on there too, so there really is something for everybody, and you get access to hundreds of hours worth of videos for just $4. Now over 1,000 members strong. Hope to see you there soon.